Good morning, class. Today, 20th of November 2020. As we are discussing the chapter number 6, The Fight. We had already completed its part 1 explanation. So, give a little glimpse of that portion. Then we will proceed to part 2. We have seen that how there is a fight between Ranji and the stranger young boy. That boy was older than Ranji, and both of them tried to prove themselves as the most fighter one, the very one. The strange one boy, he just tried to prove that he was a warrior. उसका मानना था कि वो बहुत strong warrior है. At the same time, Ranji also want to prove that he is a fighter. Ranji prove करना चाहता था कि वो क्या है? Fighter है. Then both of them start fighting. And they just fight in such a manner that they forget everything. और इस तरह से लड़ने लगे वो दोनों कि वो सब कुछ भूल गए और इतना बुरी तरह से लड़ाई हुई कि वो बुरी तरह से धराशायी हो चुकी थी. No potentiality, no ability, capacity, power becomes zero in their body. Capacity, power, effort जो था वो finish हो गया था. Then the boy, the strange boy, he just told that tomorrow we will continue the fight. If you are dare to come, then we will meet tomorrow. Today I just leave you. बॉय ने कहा कि आज मैं तुम पे दया करके तुम्हें छोड़ देता हूँ. कल हम वापस मिलेंगे और इस फाइट को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. Okay, so this much portion is there in your first part. Now let us take your book. Take out your book. Part 2. Page number 49. Part 2, page number 49. Right? When Ranji got home, he found it difficult to explain the cuts and bruises. The cuts and bruises and that showed on his face, legs and arms. So after that fight, both the boy, they just went to their home, Ranji also. And for Ranji, when he entered his home, it was difficult to explain his family members that how the scratches, cuts and there in their face and arms. अपने फैमिली मेंबर को वो किस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करता है कि उसके चेहरे पे, हाथ पांव पे चोट कैसे है. It was difficult to conceal the fact that he had been in an unusually violent fight and his mother insisted on his staying at home for the rest of the day. Easily anyone can identify by seeing that Ranji that something went wrong with him. Some violent fight is there, Ranji and someone else. So his mother insisted her to keep a rest for the day, no need to go move out from the house. इसकी मदर ने देख के पकड़ लिया था कि किसी से इसकी भयंकर लड़ाई हुई, इसलिए उसकी मदर ने उनसे कहा कि तुम आज दिन भर रेस्ट करोगी, घर से बाहर नहीं जाओगी. That evening, same day, though he slipped out of the house and went to the bazaar, where he found comfort and solace on a bottle of vividly colored lemonade and a banana leaf full of hot, sweet jalebis. But Ranji didn't listen to his mother. He just slipped away from his house and went to bazaar. उसने अपनी मदर की बात को अनसुनी समझी और वो घर से गया और सीधा बाजार पहुंच गया. There he used to drink a bottle of colored lemonade. नींबू की शिकंजी उसने ली and a banana leaf full of hot jalebis. केले के पत्ते में अच्छी गरम-गरम जलेबियां ली. And he had just finished the lemonade when he saw his adversary coming down the road. उसने just lemonade, okay, soda lime finish किया ही था, तब उसने देखा adversary means his competitive, okay, his enemy was there and coming down the road. उसने देखा कि उसका दुश्मन सामने से आ रहा है. His first impulse was to turn away and look elsewhere. First reaction, what do you think first? So जैसे देखा उसका first reaction था, just I want to ignore this one. इसको ignore कर देता हूँ और अपना चेहरा घुमा लेता हूँ, turn कर देता हूँ. Second idea came in his mind that I will throw this lemonade bottle to his enemy. उसने कहा, उसका दिमाग में पहला आइडिया था कि मैं टर्न हो जाऊं, उसको इग्नोर कर दूं. Second idea came in his mind that I want to throw the lemonade bottle at him. But he did neither of each turn these things. मगर उसने ना तो इग्नोर किया उसे, ना बॉटल थ्रो. Instead, he stood his ground and scowled at his passing adversary. खड़ा हो गया. And the warrior said nothing either, but scowled back with equal ferocity. Warrior ने भी कुछ कहा नहीं, but he just showed his anger face to Ranji. अपना गुस्सा वाला चेहरा उसने रंजी को दिखाया और eyes to eyes contact बराबर. The next day was as hot as the previous one. Same, summer season is there. Obviously, the day was very hot. Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for fight. Second day, the first day made Ranji such a became weak, feeble, thin, जैसे बहुत उसकी strong capability power जो बिल्कुल खत्म हो गई थी, zero हो गई थी. वो अपने आप को इतना lazy, dull, inactive, weak समझ रहा था. कमजोरी ऐसे बॉडी में आ गई. And he is not at all to fight again. His body was stiff, कड़क जैसे हो गई थी. कुछ नहीं बॉडी में ऐसा. And so after that previous day's encounter, but he could not refuse the challenge. But whatever challenge he had put in the previous day, he had to face on that same day. Previous day जो challenge उसने दिया था, उसे उस दिन तो निभाना था. Not to turn up at the pool would be an acknowledgement of defeat. वहां नहीं जाना कायरता कहलाएगी, डरपोक कहलाएगी. So this thought came in his mind that if I didn't go to the pool, I didn't accept the challenge, then I will be called as a coward. मुझे डरपोक कहलाओ, कायर कहलाओ. He must defy his enemy to the last or outwit him, for only then could he gain his respect. To self-respect, to earn self-respect, we must have to face the challenge. We should not have to left the field. Okay, we should not have to surrender it. Okay, till we have that potential to fight it. हमें अपना समर्पण नहीं कर देना कि हाँ मैंने हार मान ली. नहीं, जब तक जान है तब तक फाइट करना चाहिए. हमारे लाइफ में भी ये चीज होती है. हमें पहले से नहीं, अगर आपको someone has assigned you some work, you didn't have to say no, I didn't do. Why? आपको कोई काम करने के लिए बोला जाएगा, आप स्ट्रेट कह देंगे नहीं, क्यों नहीं कर सकते? आपने कोशिश तो की नहीं, पहले कह दिया, आपने पहले सरेंडर कर दिया, मेरे से नहीं होगा. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. First you have to try it. If it is very impossible, then you can express your views. But before that, no need to surrender anymore. किसी के सामने सरेंडर नहीं करना. करना है काम. ऐसा कोई काम नहीं जो आप नहीं कर सकते. You can do. You have that ability to do it. Okay. So let's there. So Ranji has also have that feeling that he didn't want to surrender. He didn't want to face the challenge. If he surrendered now, he would be beaten for all time. But to fight and be beaten today, let him free to fight and be beaten again. If he surrendered today, then every time that boy will tease him, the boy will torture him, he will always pointing him. So this killing one day is sufficient and killing every day that एक दिन मर जाना बहुत अच्छा है. रोज ताने सुन के मरना बहुत है. As long as he fought, he had right to the pool in the forest. I have fought for this pool. Why should not I go? मैं इस pool के लिए तो लड़ाई किया, तो मैं क्यों नहीं जाऊंगा? Page number 51. He was half hoping that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge, but these hopes were dashed when he sees his opponent sitting stripped to the west on the rock on the other side of the pool. Ranji thought that the warrior, the other boy, must be forget about it, forget the challenge, because at that time he didn't see that boy. But when he reached at the accurate place, he saw that the warrior, the opponent of him, was just dashed and he was sitting there on a rock on the other side. पुल के दूसरी तरफ रॉक पर वो पर्सन बैठा था, वेट कर रहा था, he was waiting there. And the warrior was rubbing oil on his body. He was rubbing oil on his body. He was ready to prepare. He was prepared to fight again. He saw Ranjit beneath the sal tree. He saw Ranjit was standing under the sal tree. उसने कहा कि साल के नीचे खड़ा है. And called a challenge across the waters of the pool. और क्या challenge किया? यहाँ आके तैर के यहाँ challenge किया उसने. फिर fight करो. Come over on this side and fight, he shouted. Shout, come on, boy, come here and then fight. But Ranji was not going to submit to any condition laid down by his opponent. He doesn't want to give any chance to his opponent that to lead him down. वो अपने विरोधी को एक चांस देना चाहता कि जिससे उसको नीचा दिखाया जाए. Come this side, he shouted, fight. Swim across and fight me here, the other boy told. तैर के यहाँ आओ और फिर मुझसे. Or perhaps you cannot swim the length of this pool? The boy asked. क्या तुम तैरना नहीं आता तुमको? You can't able to swim and come across here? But Ranji could have swam the length of the pool a dozen times without tiring. Without tiring, right? Okay, so here we know that Ranji have that capability, that potentiality to swim across any pool or any river. It is a very easy for him. He never got tired while swimming. उसे कभी थकावट नहीं होती स्विमिंग करने में. कितना ही गहरा डेप्थ पानी का क्यों ना वो स्विमिंग कर लेता, उसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती थी. ये बात रंजी अच्छे से जानता था. But the other boy didn't. He thought that he didn't know swimming, how to swim. That is why he gave another challenge to come across here and then fight. This is when the challenge they are doing. Okay. So here the time comes for Ranjit to show his superiority, to show his talent. यहाँ समय आया कि रंजी अब अपना talent दिखा सके. Okay. So students, whatever we have discussed today, it must be clear to you. I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be have some concept in your mind that how the fight is going on, what will be the end of the fight. Okay.